Hey everyone, welcome back to Fresh Ingredients. Today let's cook garlic bread in 3 different ways. But first, let's harvest some fresh herbs. Some fresh oregano, fresh parsley and also green onion. We're going to slice the green onion and use it later. And I know, green onion are not common for garlic bread, but trust me, this recipe will be amazing. For the oregano, we're only going to use the leaves. Chop the oregano and the parsley, then put it in a separate bowl. If you can't find fresh oregano, you can change it into dried oregano and it will taste similar. For the garlic paste, we're going to use lots of garlic. And let's cook the garlic first. Cooking the garlic helps to enhance the flavor and make it a little lighter. If we use raw garlic, the taste will be too strong and the smell will be so unpleasant. When everything is cooked, move it into pestle and mortar. And of course, you can use food processor to make it faster. When it starts to change to paste like this, then we can move it into the butter mixture. I'm mixing half butter and half margarine. But of course, if you are crazy rich, you can use 100% butter. Mix it all together and season it with a little bit of salt and set it aside for a while. Before we prepare the bread, I think it's better if we preheat the oven first on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. For the bread, I'm using a baguette that I bought from a local baker in Jakarta. We want to cut it in 4 parts. First, cut it in the middle, then cut it again in half. Now let's make the original garlic bread. Spread that amazing butter mixture onto the bread and spread it evenly so it covers all the bread beautifully. Sprinkle it with a little bit of coarse salt. The salt will become like a tiny salt bomb on your mouth, and sprinkle with a generous amount of black pepper and fresh chopped parsley. Place it on the roasting tray and cook it in the oven for about 5 minutes. It won't take long because the garlic is already cooked. And that's also one of the benefits from cooking the garlic first. It will make the cooking process much faster. If we use raw garlic, sometimes the garlic is not fully cooked but the bread is already burned. And this is what it looks like 5 minutes later. The color is such a beautiful bright yellow. Then we just have to slice it. And yes, I can't help myself not to try it. And the taste, wow, it tastes really good. That coarse salt really gives a unique eating experience. Now for the second garlic bread, I want to make cheesy garlic bread. Same with the bread and the butter mixture. Spread it evenly, season with black pepper, and for this one I already seasoned the butter mixture with salt off screen. Put a slice of mozzarella on top of the bread, season again with black pepper and sprinkle with fresh oregano. Put it back onto the roasting tray and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese melts according to your desire. 10 minutes later it will look like this. Finally sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Then we just have to slice it and eat it. This one of course tastes really cheesy and the oregano gives a unique taste. But honestly, I prefer the original garlic bread rather than this one. For the third and the final garlic bread, I want to make a spicy garlic bread. Same with the butter mixture, we're going to mix it with chili flakes about 1 tablespoon and half teaspoon of chicken powder and 1 lime wedge. Mix it together, and at this point I think a touch of paprika powder will improve the flavor and give it more red color. So I'm adding half teaspoon of paprika powder and mix it again. Slice it again, then let's give it a try. And wow, this one is actually my favorite. That spicy taste from the chili flake and the oniony from the green onion really match beautifully. If you own a restaurant, I think you should add this to your menu because it's really easy to make and I think people will love it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it guys. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. Thank you and I see you next time.